Hello, my name is Steven. This New Year, I want spend my time with my family. I want get better at reading and want to make some friends too.
Hey, what's up, homie? Hola, ¿cómo estás? I'm Mario Castro, and family is Honduras. My grandma lives in LA, Los Angeles, California. Happy New Year's. Feliz Año Nuevo. This year, I want to be more organized at home and school. And last, I want to get better at reading and writing too. Goodbye, adios. See you later. See you the next story, buddy.